Alright guys, I got something special here today. This is a 2011 V-Rod Night Rod Special. This one has been converted into a trike. It's really cool. Checks all the boxes. It's got the black, it's got the chrome. Not too much, but just enough. This thing's really awesome. It's torquey. Just about as fast as a regular V-Rod. I know a lot of people think that these have a bad rap, you know, three-wheeler, older man's bike. Yeah, honestly it is. This is my dad's bike, and he's an older guy. He's a war veteran, and it's hard for him to jump on a regular bike, but something like this, he could get on and just go. Let's take this thing for a ride.